Parenting and the effects they have on children. Parent-child attachment. Per Erikson, adolescents need to establish autonomy. In order to accomplish autonomy, teenagers need a close and trusting relationship with their parents. According to research, teens who remain close with their parents have better academic achievement, become leaders, have higher self-esteem, social relationships, problem-solving skills, and overall success. Negative parent-child attachment. Children who lack a positive parent-child attachment are more likely to use drugs, develop antisocial behaviors, and become sexually active earlier. When does attachment begin? Attachment begins at birth and continues through the child's life. A child with positive attachment will be more sociable, less clingy, develop positive relationships, and be less dependent on others. Now we're going to discuss the types of parenting. The uninvolved type of parent is preoccupied, overwhelmed, depressed, lacks connection to the child, and neglect towards the child. The child, on the other hand, will be impulsive, antisocial, has less achievements in school, and have a harder time forming relationships. The authoritarian type of parent is oftentimes demanding, always in control, hostile, verbally abusive, and shows low levels of affection. The child, in return, becomes aggressive, out of control, has poor academic achievements, poor self-esteem, develops poor social relationships, and distrust in others. The permissive type of parent is both authoritarian and the uninvolved type of parent. This parent accepts negative behavior, inconsistent with demands and their behavior, has no expectations or very little, and remains uninvolved in the child's activities. The child is aggressive, less mature than their peers, takes no responsibility towards their own actions, and less likely to engage in independent tasks. The authoritative type of parent is both firm and assertive. They keep an understanding of different situations, listen and accept their child's point of view. They maintain a consistent and structured environment, set reasonable and high standards of behavior and achievement, and show support and affection towards their children. Children from authoritative households have statistically shown to have higher self-esteem, remain independent, follow the rules, have higher academic achievements, less incidents of drug abuse, are socially competent, and able to form healthy relationships throughout their lives. Effects of socioeconomic status. Many studies have shown that children who come from middle-class homes maintain a higher GPA than children who come from economically disadvantaged homes. Although this may be true statistically, studies have also shown that parents who steadily remain involved in their child's academics, show warmth, and maintain a democratic relationship with their child will raise a child with competence, less aggression, better social skills, and less likely to be delinquent regardless of socioeconomic status. Parenting effects on moral development. Studies prove that household climate directly affects the development of moral reasoning in adolescence. Parents who identify, communicate, and express their own moral views reflect the moral development of their children. Teenagers that develop positive levels of moral reasoning acquire higher levels of prosocial behavior. On the other hand, teens who develop lower levels of moral reasoning are more likely to accept violence, think illogically, participate in delinquent behavior, develop a conduct disorder, and are unable to view situations in another person's perspective. The development of conduct disorders start at an early age. Children with conduct disorders often throw tantrums, defy authority, and are hyperactive. As they grow older, their temperament worsens, leading to uncontrolled behavior, aggression, and disturbed thinking. When these children become teens, they are more likely to be involved in drugs, alcohol abuse, promiscuous behavior, and truancy. So let's have a brief overview of the parenting styles. The authoritative parent is nurturing, affectionate, and sets boundaries. The permissive parent is affectionate, inconsistent, and more of a friend than a parent. The authoritarian parent is strict, has high expectations, and prefers punishment. The uninvolved parent is emotionally detached, self-absorbed, and inconsistent.
Created using Powtoon.